I am one self, united with my Creator, and salvation comes from my one self. It's always wonderful to bring this back into your perception and remind yourself about salvation and what it's all about. And really, of course, it still probably seems arbitrary as you are getting caught up in life's dramas all over the place. It might happen quite often that some people come to me and ask me, what should I do about this? What should I do about that? And this drama and that. And they try to bring up the details and what it's specifically focused on. Oh, but he said this and did this with this person and that. And so many different variations of what, yes, could come into play if you're getting specific. But we just want to remember that salvation from every single problem, every single situation is from or available in that sense of discovering what that one self is. So we have to remember, if you want salvation, if you want actual peace or serenity from what is seemingly dramatic and crazy, it's remembering that you are one self. And this isn't just the idea that you are one self, no, remember that I'm one self united with my Creator, one self. I'm one self, not just me against everybody else that's one self. Yeah, we're all one selves. We all have our free will and we're fighting each other. No, it's that one self that is the one self that there is only one self of. That dreamer perspective. There is only one dreamer perspective. There is only one self. And that's where the salvation comes from. That's where essentially any obstacle can be surmounted if you take it on with that understanding that you are one self united with all reality and your Creator. That means anything that you're experiencing, you are united with as well. You're united with this obstacle, with this drama, with this craziness. It is united with its Creator as well. You're all united in this sense of one Creator. This is where your salvation to all of the difficulties, all the problems, everything, this is where it resides. You see it? Oh, I mean, yeah, you might have an idea, but until you're really experiencing it, and I remember back in the day when I was like, oh yeah, that makes sense, okay, and had no idea, no clue what it was. I mean, I had an idea, okay, I had a clue, that's about it. Clue is not the treasure, right? The treasure is after at least a few clues. But it's there, and of course, even as it states, it's in the back of your mind. It's there. It's never left you. The memory is there, and it's just simply kind of discerning from what is it and what is not it. So many different things trying to make it into something it's not. All sorts of different practices. Think of it in this way. A good, easy way to discern is in the sense of, does it call for you to achieve something? Like if you think that's your salvation, you're misunderstanding what it means to have the memory of it. So recalling that memory might be a good way of saying, yeah, okay, that's an achieving of it, yes, but it's still something that is already there. It's something that's already here within you. It's not something that you will gain or receive. The only thing that changes is your awareness of what you are. The awareness of who you are. Not what you actually are. What you actually are does not need changing. It's perfect. It has the salvation, the freedom, everything you are looking for is right there in that what you actually are. You just aren't aware of it. See? But that's okay. That's what this practice and meditation is all about, and the sense of coming into that, confronting your mind, really questioning, taking time to think about it, figure it out, and discovering what it is, and taking that guided action to that next step that is leading you to understanding, comprehending by first-hand experience. It's exciting. Salvation.